In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block out background noise on a Microsoft Teams call. Imagine this, you're in an important meeting, ready to showcase your latest project, and suddenly your neighbor decides it's the perfect time to start mowing the lawn. It's frustrating, right? Let me guide you through how you can reduce such interferences and have a seamless communication experience. First things first, make your way to Microsoft Teams, and if you haven't already, sign in with your credentials. Once you're all signed in and ready to go, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You should see a set of 3 dots. This is what you're looking for. For those of you who might be wondering, these dots generally indicate more options in various apps, and here they grant you access to further customization settings. With these 3 dots in focus, give them a click. A drop-down menu will appear before you. Among the various options that pop up, search for settings. Go ahead and give that a click as well. This will open up a new world of features that allow you to personalize how Microsoft Teams works for you. Within the settings menu, you'll notice an option neatly labeled Devices. Click on Devices to proceed. This section is a very handy tool that lets you tailor your equipment setup to your needs, ensuring everything works just the way you like it. Now that you're inside the Devices menu, it's time to address our main focus, noise suppression. You should see noise suppression listed there. This feature is your best friend against the clamour of background sounds. Click on noise suppression to view more options. Here's where you'll want to make a thoughtful choice based on your environment. Microsoft Teams offers different levels of noise suppression: auto, low and high. These settings allow you to control how much noise you'd like the application to filter out. If you're in a relatively quiet space, low might be all you need. However, for those louder settings, high is your best bet. I usually find auto quite effective as well, as it adapts to your environment on the fly, and that's it. With these straightforward but crucial steps, you've now configured your Microsoft Teams call to suppress background noise, allowing everyone to hear you with crystal clarity. It's a small setting that makes a world of difference in your calls and meetings. Remember, clear communication is key in professional settings, and by simply adjusting these settings, you're taking steps to ensure you're heard, no matter the environment. Thank you for tuning in. I hope this helps bring some focus back to your calls, where it should be on the discussion at hand. Until next time, happy conferencing.